welcome to our beautiful island of Jamaica. Let me see all the first time visitors. If this is the first time you're coming to Jamaica, raise your hands. Alright, let me see the returning visitors. Alright, welcome our first time visitors and welcome back our returning visitors. My name is Petolbe. You will be calling me Sunshine for the rest of the day. What's my name? Sunshine. Alright, and our driver name is Joel. Say hi to Joel, please. Gentlemen, again, I must say a warm welcome to you all to our beautiful island of Jamaica. Your tour today is taking you to the rafting on the Martha Brae. We will be having 2 persons per a raft. I have a family of 3. You will be sitting together. All right? Yeah, man? Yeah, man. All right. So we'll be going on our tour. We are disembarking the Urban Development Corporation port, which is the UDC port. I'm going to sing you a welcome song. You'll be listening to the words of the song, but not the voice of the song. All right? Welcome to Jamaica, this sunny, sunny land. This is sweet Jamaica, and I hope you understand. It's a land of sunshine with lots of great palm trees, and it is surrounded by the Caribbean Sea. So we welcome you to Jamaica. We entertain you with our songs. So when you get back home, you're gonna tell all your friends that you were welcome to Jamaica. Yeah, man. Alright. Why did you clap? So, what do you notice with our driving? We drive on the left side of the road here in Jamaica. The left side is the right side and the right side is a suicide. Alright? So our driver will not be giving you any suicide driving today. Alright? No problem? No problem. No problem is one of the words you'll be hearing very often on the tour today. Alright? Yaman and Irie. So it's Irie, Yaman and no problem. Take a look to your right. Your ship, it's taking a time drifting away, leaving you. Say bye-bye. To your right, we have this gray container, and this is where we store our brown ball sugar to export to the US and the UK, also to Europe. Still on your right, we have the Reynolds Bauxite Pier, otherwise known as the James Bond Pier. Bauxite on this side closed on from 1980. Further down on the road, we'll show you the company that is still active in use with bauxite. James Bond Dr. No. Do you know that film Dr. No? Yes. A part of that film has been filmed at this port here, ladies and gentlemen. Still on your right, the white substance you're looking on is limestone. And when limestone is well purified, we get our drinking water. Still on your right, new bauxite building. And still on your right, the last building, it's the old English building, recently built out of brick, now built out of cut stone. This stretch of road we are traveling on, it takes us to our second city, which is Montego Bay. From here to Montego Bay, you will take approximately up to 1.5 hours to 2 hours to get there, and it depends on the traffic, ladies and gentlemen, to take you to Montego Bay. At the Reynolds Bauxite Port, the only time we use that port is like when we have limestone ship, sugar ship, or 2 cruise ships in port. Because bauxite on this side closed on from 1980. Alright? Let me see the hands of those who have been to Montego Bay before. Alright, so it's no problem. So you know where I'm talking about, right? Yeah, man. Alright, coming up onto your left. This is the only place in Jamaica where we get snow. Bobsled. That's just a joke. We don't get snow here in Jamaica. Alright? For you to do the bobsled, you have to go down on a train line, ladies and gentlemen, to do the bobsled. So the billboard right here tell you all the tours that took place at the Mystic Mountain. So on the Mystic Mountain, you have the bobsled, the zip line, the canopy, the water slide canopy, Sky Explorer, and Nancy Webb, and mountain climb. When you do the chairlift will take you 760 feet above sea level. Alright? And that's where all the tour took place. So if you love to explore, because you have persons from your tour today who is doing the Mystic Mountain tour. Alright? Not far away from the Mystic Mountain, you'll be having the Dolphin Cove. So coming up onto your right, we're having the Dolphin Cove. And the Dolphin Cove is where you swim with the dolphin, dance with the dolphin, have fun with the dolphin, feed the dolphin, also along with the shark. So if you like shark, we have shark encounters over here. But the shark here don't eat meat, they are vegetarian. Is there anyone on the bus like shark? Alright, no problem. Then not far away from there, we're gonna have the #1 waterfall, the famous Dunn's River Fall. Let me see the hands of those who ever climbed the falls before. Alright, that's why you're looking so young. Alright? Ocho Rios was known as Las Rios, which means 8 rivers. But we don't know as such as 8 rivers over here in the river, the Roy River, the Turkey River, and the White River. Those are the 4 rivers that we know in Ocho Rios. But I think Columbus, along with the Spaniard, were having some of our Jamaican rum. So instead of seeing 4 rivers,
WhatsApp, I will send you some picture.